It's here. This stuff is perfect. Awesome. So I still got to park a vehicle, so we're good. That's excellent. Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining today. Well, as you can see from the thumbnail, we got a shipment today. I think we'll use a video opportunity to give you a preview of what's in these boxes. Let's go. Well, at first glance, these look very well wrapped, so I'm thinking there's not going to be any damage. I'm going to do all this one-handed, so forgive me because I have to carry the camera with one hand. But let's get to the unboxing. Oh, we gotta take a look at our packing slip. All right, moment of truth. Let's see what's in mystery box number one. You guessed it, we got some fender flares. These are made by EGR. I partnered with them to get myself some fender flares. We'll be doing a video on this, a full install, mud flap delete. You'll see what it looks like. But the ones I ordered, I had color matched to the truck. And I went with something a little different than what you might have expected. So here they are, right here. So they are ready to go and match the truck. These are beautiful. They got the nice rubber weather stripping all the way around. One thing you may recognize about the name EGR is if you were to get the actual fender flares that GM offers on their website as an accessory for the GMC Sierra, the newer body style, EGR is the company that manufactures them. So that's right, these are going to use all the OEM holes, no drilling, and they're going to have a factory-like fitment. So that's one of the reasons I went with them. You'll probably notice I went without rivets too. I didn't want to do rivets. Every truck in this area that I live in has fender flares with rivets. I wanted something different. So we went for the smooth look. Also, the benefit is if I ever want to do a color change on the truck, I can wrap these because they're smooth. You can wrap the ones with rivets too, but what a big pain, especially working around all of those openings. So this would be much simpler and it would look good. Now we'll just unpack them all and make sure there's no damage. Okay, everything looks pretty good. I can't wait to put them on the truck, honestly. We got a little bit of hardware right here. There was a tiny scuff on one of the bottom corners, but I don't even think the camera would pick it up, so I didn't bother showing it to you. But when we do the install, I'll let you see if I even find it again. But now with the box underneath, right here, you probably guessed it already, and I'm not going to open it on this video, but we have EGR's Rolltrack. So this is an upgraded box cover to what I have now, but what really excites me about this one is it's electric. So I've been hinting at this one for a while in a couple of my videos. Well, now it's here and now it's gonna happen. So definitely stick around to watch that install. Anyway, I'm gonna end it there. We got the fender flares ready to put on the truck. That'll be one of the next videos with the AT4. And then we're going to do the Rolltrack. Now, if you made it this far into the video, I'll tell you another thing that we're going to be doing. We are going to take the 1.5-inch spacers that were on the AT4 with the factory wheels before I put the new ones on from Brink Wheels. And we are going to take those spacers and put them on the Escalade because it needs a better stance. And I think it'll look good, but we'll be part of that experience together when I film the video. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, if you like today's preview video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. We'll talk to you next time.